Hi. What are you doing? What are you doing? There's the dog. Hi, Pony. Hi, Sammy. Look at your fluffy self. The fluffy fluffy. Hi. What, you think I got something for you? You're so fluffy. Look at all that fluff. Those are my fingers. That's not a carrot. And this isn't food either. Hi. I see ya. You gonna get him, Dax?